Hi viewers, welcome to Meghala Nurses Academy. This academy is established to enhance the knowledge of student nurses and professional nurses. This YouTube channel will be helpful to prepare for all kind of competitive examinations like MRB, RRB, MOH, NIMANS and etc. Now we are going to discuss MCQs on OBG nursing part 3 from fertilization. First question, what occurs when egg and sperm fuse? Egg is a female reproductive cell and sperm is a male reproductive cell. Option A, differentiation, the action or process of differentiating between two or more things. Option B, fertilization, it is the fusion of haploid gametes, egg and sperm to form the diploid zygote. Option C, cleavage, division of cells in the early embryo. And option D is development. This is the process of developing or being developed. So the right answer is option B, fertilization. What occurs when egg and sperm fuse? Option B, fertilization. Second question, fertilization occurs in the ampullary part of the option A, fallopian tube. It is otherwise called as uterine tube, Salpingus or oviduct that stretches from the uterus to the ovaries. Option B, uterus. It is a hollow muscular organ located in the female pelvis between the bladder and the rectum. And option C, isthmus. It is a hollow section of the uterine tube connecting the ampulla to the uterine cavity. And option D, cervix. It is the lowermost part of the uterus. So the right answer is option A, fallopian tube, because ampulla is the widest section of the uterine tube. Fertilization usually occurs here. So the right answer is option A, fallopian tube. Fertilization occurs in the ampullary part of the option A, fallopian tube. Third question, zona pellucida is penetrated by. Zona pellucida is a thick transparent membrane surrounding a ovum before implantation. Option A, acrosome is an organelle that develops over the anterior half of the head in the spermatozoa of the humans. And option B, corona radiata, the inner protective glycoprotein layer of the ovum. It is directly adjacent to the zona pellucida. And option C, A and B. Option D, none of the above. So the right answer is option A, acrosome. Zona pellucida is penetrated by option A, acrosome. Fourth question, fertilizable lifespan of oocyte ranges from dash to dash. Oocyte means ovum. Option A, 12 to 24 hours. Option B, 24 to 46 hours. Option C, 2 to 4 hours. Option D, 14 days. The right answer is option A, 12 to 24 hours. Because after ovulation, the fertilizable lifespan of the mature human oocyte is estimated to be about 12 to 24 hours. So the right answer is option A, 12 to 24 hours. Fertilizable lifespan of oocyte ranges from option A, 12 to 24 hours. Fifth question, fertilizable lifespan of sperm ranges from dash to dash. Option A, 24 to 46 hours. Option B, 4 days. Option C, 12 to 24 hours. Option D, 48 to 72 hours. The right answer is option D, 48 to 72 hours. Because the fertilizable lifespan of the human spermatozoa is around 48 to 72 hours. So the right answer is option D, 48 to 72 hours. Fertilizable lifespan of sperm ranges from option D, 48 to 72 hours. Sixth question, dash is a lytic enzyme released by the sperm. Option A, hyaluronidase. This is the lytic enzyme released by the sperm. Option B, trypsin. It is a digestive enzyme which breaks down the protein in the small intestine. Option C, helicase. Helicases are a class of enzymes vital to all the organisms. And option D, none of the above. So the right answer is option A, hyaluronidase. DAS is a lytic enzyme released by the sperm is option A, hyaluronidase. Seventh question, how many autosomes does a human primary spermatocyte have? Option A, 34. Option B 44. Option C 54. Option D 64. The right answer is option B 44 because number of autosomes in human primary spermatocyte is 44. So the right answer is option B 44. How many autosomes does a human primary spermatocyte have? Option B 44. Eighth question. Where does the ovum receive the sperm? Option A. Animal pole is the region of the ovum where the polar bodies are extruded and receives the sperm. Option B. Vegetal pole, which is opposite to the animal pole. And option C. Zona pellucida, the thick transparent membrane surrounding a ovum before implantation. Option D. None of the above. So the right answer is option A. Animal pole. Where does the ovum receive the sperm? Option A. Animal pole. Ninth question. How does human sperm locomote? Locomote is an act of moving from place to place. Option A. Flagella is a hair-like structure that acts primarily as an organelle of locomotion in the cells of many living organisms. Option B. Cilia. Cilia is an organelle found on eukaryotic cells. And option C. Neutrophil. It is a type of white blood cells. And option D. None of the above. So the right answer is option A. Flagella. Because sperms swim by means of a prominent flagellum composed of a crore of microtubules. So the right answer is option A. Flagella. How does human sperm locomote? Option A. Flagella. 10th question. Acrosomes is filled with option A. Hormone. Option B. Lipids. Option C. Digestive enzyme. Option D. None of the above. The right answer is option C. Digestive enzyme. Because acrosome contains hyaluronidase and acrosin enzyme. These enzymes break down the outer membrane of the ovum called zona pellucida, allowing the haploid nucleus in the sperm of the cells to join with the haploid nucleus in the ovum. So the right answer is option C. Digestive enzyme. Acrosome is filled with option C. Digestive enzyme. Thank you viewers. Thanks for watching this video. Viewers, please subscribe Meghla Nurses Academy to receive the daily updates from this channel. Click the bell icon for your notification. Thank you.